Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now the title might say SIM and SD card, but I don't think this phone has a SD card tray. We'll see in a second. But to get started, you'll want to grab your SIM ejector. It usually looks like the one that I just dropped, and there we go. So it usually looks similar to this, not as fancy. Typically just more of a piece of metal. Sometimes it's like a straight wire that is coiled. But anyway, obviously if you have that and you can find it, which should be in a box somewhere between the paperwork, that's great. If you can't, you could use a paperwork, Jesus, I think I need more oxygen. Paper clip, and straighten out one on the ends, and it should work just as well as long as it doesn't have the plastic wrapping. If it does, you can just cut it off. Anyway, with that in mind, once we have one of those, we can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. You want to use the area that is literally like right near the corner. You have a tiny hole, that's where you want to insert this, and then push it in. You can do it firmly, don't worry, there's nothing there that will break. And once you pop it out, you have space for one SIM card. And you can see there's no SD card support, so yeah, it's just a single SIM. When placing your card on the tray, make sure that it's laying completely flush on it. So it shouldn't be protruding, and also shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. From there, pop it back into your device, and said card should start working right away, like literally instantly. Anyway, so from here we're just gonna need to confirm our SIM card pin if you have one. I do, obviously. And once you confirm that, the card becomes active and looks for reception. So, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.